Today I'm going to make you learn about few of the letters, their sounds as well as how to pronounce those words and letters. So here we have the letters. The first letter we have C. Its sounds is K, not G. So while pronouncing the word with letter C, it will be crush, not crush. Crack, not crack. The second letter we have R, which sound is er. So we have the words related to the letter, that is rabbit and rib. Next letter we have T. So it is trash and track. I'm going to pronounce the letters again and their sounds. K, and T. Most of the people pronounce it wrongly. Like they pronounce it as C, K, R, R, T, T, which is 100% wrong. So they have the sound C, K, R, T, T. That is why we have the pronunciation of these words crush, crack, rabbit, rib, trash, and track. So now you understand how to pronounce these words crush, crack, rabbit, rib, trash, and track. Did you understand? Okay.